fellow viewers. Today we're in the sub-county to attend a meeting about the issue of the Balaalo that have embedded the sub-county. And we want to hear from this meeting how the people came to Abim and Magamaka sub-county in particular. Behind me, you can see the people are gathering. We're waiting for the meeting to start, and then we get to know the real issue. I'll see how these people came to Baganda. And I think keep following the good TV. We're going to give you more details about this issue. Thank you.
Museveni Gikume, Ogoloda, ni bemi no Balaalo in northern Uganda. Abim in northern Uganda. Amido kovo ita yadi kuna mogoni, ngom ni Balaalo babino bediye. Ekubera ki chairman na beach, ekubera ki RDC, meeting na deep, Johnny obibini ye, ita yadi, na baracha biti na danyeni otum. Eka Johnny insist no kone emere gini, kaya makatinga ngan moro kure dwal ngan moro ye, mano gina tilo po emi wenye ngenan. Bien, check banyani Balaalo obet kany, jiri no una tour, eke chadi ne unungam.
Where do we go from this? It is confirmed by Iteso TV that Balaalo Vuam in Abim district. Balaalo is in Abim district, and the community are having a planning meeting to see the way how to go about this. A video posted by Iteso TV has confirmed this, and updates are going to be coming underway, and our forecasts are so keen on that one, and we want to hear what the community of Abim district are talking about this thing, this serious issue which is bringing a lot of heart pounding to the communities in northern Uganda. Now, in case you don't know, the Abim people are having the people known as Acholi Jolabuo, but they changed the name to Iteso because I don't know what's happening. The government gave them to the side of Karamoja. Chief Justice Windor spoke about this. The video is on this channel where he explained that these are people who belong to us. They were a clan who belonged to a chief known as Ruot Labuo. So Ruot Labuo, there was a lot of intermarriage with the Karamojong, and they were given in 19th century by this government to Karamoja sub-region, but they are actually. So that is briefly about the two people. Abim is also said to be having a lot of minerals, especially gold, and some people also say the extraction is ongoing. So this is something which is so breaking. It's a breaking news, and actually also a shocking one. All these years, we did not hear that Balaalo was in Abim until today. So, but there are reports on numerous websites that indicate Balaalo present since 2016, but it was not something spoken of. I think maybe it was quiet. I don't know if this is the lot that has been staying there since then, or it's a fresh one due to pressure from Acholi sub-region. We will definitely find this all out. Stay locked on Acholi Pro Hivo TV with me, Mark Tunu Brian. Thank you.